Florida's new 15-week abortion ban remains in legal limbo. There was a back and forth today between the Leon County judge and the state. Local 10's Christina Vasquez explains.
Today's fast-moving legal volley in a Leon County courtroom over HB 5, Florida's new 15-week abortion ban, started on Thursday.
I will be entering a temporary injunction.
And that block to the ban kicked in this morning when Judge John Cooper signed his written order. But it was only in effect for just over 30 minutes, placed on hold due to procedural rules when the state then filed its appeal. Now the ACLU, who represents providers, the plaintiffs in this case, like Planned Parenthood, who sued the state, are asking the same judge to lift the hold so the statewide temporary injunction can stand.
We are entitled to an injunction because we are likely to succeed on the merits of our case.
Plaintiffs argues Florida's new abortion law that took effect Friday, banning abortions after 15 weeks, previously was 24, would unlawfully intrude upon the fundamental privacy rights of Florida women. And Leon County Circuit Judge John Cooper agreed.
Unconstitutional in that it violates the privacy provision of the Florida Constitution.
And not just because Florida's state constitution has this privacy clause, but based on how the Florida State Supreme Court, he says, has historically determined that it extends to a woman's decision of whether or not to continue her pregnancy.
The government cannot interfere with intensely personal decisions.
The state has argued that with the majority of abortions being performed under 15 weeks, HB 5 is not a significant restriction. And the governor's office said it will ask the Florida Supreme Court to reverse its existing precedent regarding Florida's right to privacy.
That would be a radical and horrific change in Florida constitutional law.
And so bottom line, as it stands right now, as of tonight, HB 5 remains in effect. The judge's ruling on that most recent motion by the ACLU is pending. And as you can see, we are in the infancy of a legal process that really puts state constitutional rights to abortion access for women here in Florida in center focus. Reporting live for you tonight, I'm Christina Vasquez, Local 10 News.